Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will write a code live on how to add the sum of four numbers using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. It has been a while, I think 2 or 3 years that I don't usually make a tutorial that demonstrate writing the code live. So here I'm using Dev C++, no? I'm using Windows 7 32-bit. So we will start with sharp include iostream. So this library file iostream is a library file in every C++ program for input output, basic commands like for loop, if else, arrays, pointers, etc. Let us save our work. Let's say for example here in the YouTube, okay, and then addition .cpp, cpp is the extension for a C++ program. Click the save button to save our work. Here I will declare 5 variables in sum equals 0, a variable a 0, b equals 0, c equals 0, and d equals equals 0, semicolon. Okay, save. Now, so for beginners that are new in C++, when we say int, it is a data type called integer. It can also accept whole number, positive and negative number, including 0, no decimal places. So here, int main, it is the starting point of our program execution. It will search by our compiler, save. So A, let's say we put a value of A1, B, let's say 2, semicolon, C equals 3, and D for 4. So when we add 1 plus 2, that 3, that is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4 is 10. So for demonstration purposes, let's say we have sum equals, open and close parentheses, A plus B plus C plus D. Okay, semicolon. So sum will act as an assignment statement. So console out, let's say left shift operator, the sum is, calling the sum, backslash n, backslash t. Okay, so calling the sum, it will display the sum of 10. The sum is 10. Save. Let us go to execute, compile and run. Okay, there is a bug. What is the bug? I forgot to put this one on std, 2 colon. Compile and run. Okay, so the sum is 10. Okay guys, so this is the end of our program, sum of 4 numbers using C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.